Hello, good morning. All right, so today we are coming in to demonstrate how you can build educational apps with games. Okay, so we can be able to do those kind of apps for you. The platform is geared to help with those kind of games, those kind of educational materials. Yeah, let's just get in it so you can see because seeing is believing. All right, so as usual, you can go to DIYapps.ca. They will take you to our website. From here, you click on Get Started. So once you click on Get Started, it will take you to our template. All right, so this is how to build educational games app. So you go to categories, you pick games. So once you pick on games, as you can see, we have a lot of, not a lot of, three. We have three templates that you can start off with. If you want and you're a really good tech person, you can do start from scratch, just build. So why mobile apps for educational games? So you can do games for learning, critical thinking and things like that. As you can see the benefits here, you can be able to allow the users to progress and just make learning fun. All right. So as you make your learning fun, you can be able to develop really neat things. So promote your gaming app. So be able to teach them in an entertaining way. As you can see, Earth is located in which galaxy, and then this thing will start playing around. You can do flashcards. You can be able to create learning videos for education. You can be able to do quizzes, as you can see. Um, you can promote your upcoming events. You can build a community. So this is the chat. You can do like a chat group, and then same idea. The chat groups you can do like a suggestion area where people can be able to suggest, and you can do like people can vote on it. Yeah. So once you have that, you see, okay, I can use this one. You can pick several. We have several templates you can start off with. As you can see, the design is nicely done. So the biggest thing usually is just how you design your app and how you get the graphics looking nice. All right, so once you do that, you click on use template. um, So once you click on use template, you add your game name or your app name, add your first name, email, you create a password, and pretty much agree to the terms. Once you do that, it should take you to this page. So this is our dashboard page. So this is a mobile app dashboard page. So as you can see, it's nicely divided up, where you can see the app is on the right, other thing menu is on. So this is the app, how it's gonna look like. The menus, as you can see, um, your menus are here for the whole platform, and then you have the middle section is tutorials, things that can help you to get started, the plugins, whatever's running the app. Those are we call them plugins, or some people call them features, so we use them interchangeably. You have the platform tutorials itself, and then product updates. So the dashboard is nicely laid out, simple. You're able to find everything that you need. um, Once you have your dashboard and you're like, okay, this is cool, we have a learn more. So this will take you to our knowledge base. Same idea, you still have the same information, but now it will be more in detail. And the other beauty, so we have the learn more here. If you want to go back to the website, that's the link. Learn more here too. Once you be able to learn and implement kind of thing, We have this preview on mobile. So what it does is you can scan this link, you can scan this QR code, and it sends the QR code to, it sends a link, you can send the link to you, opens up like a PWA web app version, and then yeah, you can be able to send that link to whoever wants to see the progress of the app, or just text them your phone number, or text to their number, and they become able to see the app on their browser, and they can be able to save it too. The other piece is, once everyone is happy, everyone is enjoying the app, and you're ready to publish, definitely you can click on the upgrade. So you can pick whichever plan that we have. Each plan, we have the light, we have standard, premium, and enterprise. They all come with different features depending on which plan you have. But you can still publish either to Android or Apple. So you pick the plan you want, you pay, and then you can be able to, this link will change to it will change to publish, sorry. And we have we already have the 21 days free trial, and we also have, as a gift for 6 months, $100 off on the standard, premium, or enterprise plans for the monthly. So you can be able to use the discount code we have, DIYapps 100, when you're checking out. Okay, so once we have done one more thing, if let's say you have like English is not your first language, but you would like to look at the platform in another language, you can be able to use this Google Translate kind of functionality. This one doesn't change the app language, it only changes the platform language, but the app will still be in English, and that's how you're going to publish it. If you want different languages on the app, you have to use different screens for that. The other piece will be the user profile and the logging out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And let's say you have more than one app, they will all show up here. Okay. And you can have as many apps as you want in one email. All right, so that's that. Let's go to the home screen. Okay, so on the home screen, this is where pretty much where you start. This is where when someone downloads the app, they all go here. Shows them where things are. Pretty much the first step when they open the app. So as you can see, the look and feel is the same. Nothing changes. We have your menus up here. So depending on which feature you open, these menus will be the same, or it will have different tabs. But for general, content, design, layout, security, tagging, purchase, and analytics are usually common for all of them. It's only when you go inside you will see different, more layered or more different details. All right, so editing an app is easy. As you can see, this is just an image. If you let's the games begin. Right, you see, you can be able to edit that, make it nice. So this particular app, what they have done, instead of using the insert layout, they have used these action tabs. So these action tabs, buttons will take you to whichever features that you have in the system. So just give me a second. All right, there's my mouse. All right, yeah, so that's how they've done it. So you can see astronomy, geology, and the rest. So that's how. And then when you go to design, this is where you can select your background. As you can see, they have a nice image, background image that they have built, and this is the hardest part. Building a mobile app is not adding the features. It's pretty much coming up with nice designs to make the app appealing. And And if you have someone who can do that for you, that's awesome. If you don't, you can always reach out for us, and we'll be able to provide you that service. When you have the layouts, so depending on how you want it to look, as you can see, they are using this particular layout. You can change to this one if you like. You can use this one. Oh, that one looks nice too. But it doesn't, you see the background is nice, and so you need the background, yeah. You need it like line up kind of thing. Security, you can be able to lock different screens. You lock different screens so people can either require login or they have a specific user profile to be able to access that screen. And you can do that using this page here. So you can do the require login, and using the user tags, you can use this one. You have the tagging. So this is called behavioral tags. These tags will able to help you track people, how they're using the app, and do statistics on them, or you can do push notification to those particular people. And this is where you set them up. And then you have the patches. So if you want to do in-purchase functionality, you can set it up here for this screen. And then you have definitely analytics of how many people open the screen and the top users. All right, so the next piece will be the app components. So app components, these are the app plugins that we talked about, which now they are called features. The same thing, is just so when you say my features, so these are the features that I'm using in the app. So these are the plugins that I'm using in the app. So when you go get them in the marketplace, so you get them in the marketplace, depending on your plan, depending on what your subscription on, you get access to different plugins. And then you can be able, once you have it, you click on this plus sign. And then the plus sign, when you add it, it goes to my features. And then once it's on your features, you can add them to your app. All the features that have been added to the app, those are the ones will be published. Anything that's not added to the app won't be published. So that helps to minimize the size of the app. So those two are done. Side menu. So these are the side menus. So let's say you require a few menus on the home screen and you need some on the side. This is where you add them. And then that's where you add your side menu. We have the nav bar. So the nav bar appears down here. So if you turn this on, it's down here. So right now we don't have anything, but let's add one. We can add one. We have that. We can add that one. Just random stuff, just to show you. And then you can rearrange them like that, right? And that's it. That's how you, like, this is so fun, man. But anyways, all right. So yeah, so that's the nav bar. So let's turn it off. And then we have the intro screens. So intro screens, when someone downloads the app, before they get to the home page, you can have 2 or 3 screens minimum, kind of to help them understand the app before they go into the app, kind of thing, right? So intro screens are really awesome, and because they are a premium feature, you have to have a premium account to get it, because it's really nicely done. All right, so the next piece will be branding. For the branding part, so this is where now you can play around with your branding. So whatever branding you have for your organization, when you have it here, it's going to be applied on the whole app. We have, you can add your logo here for your app icons. You can have your app name. So this is the name that's going to be underneath the icon when someone downloads the app. You can also add a loading screen, change your texts, change your colors here, change your theme, and things like that. So that helps to make the app have a look and feel according to your branding. And then we have the media library. This is where all the images used in the app, this is where they reside. We don't store videos. We use third-party kind of links, either YouTube or Vimeo and things like that. Login screen. The beauty about this particular platform, you can be able to develop a login screen that fits what you want. So this is the design. So you see the logo, you can always change that. settings. You can change if you want them to use your Apple signing, they use their Facebook signing, Google or X. You can always do that. Let's see, it's only those ones. And then you can set expirations and things like that. And then customize. Let's say when someone signs in or signs up, and you want to capture some information about them, you can always add them on the registration screen, and that helps collect that information to help you serve them better. And then languages. So this is pretty much the language that will be used on the buttons here. Awesome. Privacy and terms. You can always add your own privacy and terms, or you can use the default one that we provide with our platform. Commerce. So we talked about the in-app purchases, the credit system. You can have tokens and things like that, and manage people's purchases for the in-app. Notifications. So this is my best. I love these notifications. You can do scheduled. You can do automatic. You can do groups. So remember those behavioral tags that we talked about. You can be able to specifically pick those tags and send notification to those specific people. We have the schedule. You can always schedule future. Geofence. Well, when you have people using your app, when they come in a certain area, you can do a geofence. When they get into that area, they get a push notification. Analytics. It will show how many people received the notification, how many people opened it, how many people clicked on the action in the push notification to get access to it, to see what's going on. We have the users. So this user, any user that's logged in the system, have a profile. This is where you manage them. User tagging. So this is where you tag. You can create the user tags and be able to segment your users, and that way you can also use that for marketing piece. Admin roles, so you can always add admins or people will be able to help you with the content for the app. User profile languages, so this is the language as you've seen on the login screen. You can change some of the languages in the screens. Abuse reports, so when you have your chats or groups or communication walls, when people report people or for abuse or things like that, this is where it all comes in. You can see the list. You can be able to ban them or suspend them. If you delete them, they'll get out of the system and can be able to log in back again with the same email. So it's usually just either ban them or suspend them so that they don't reuse the same email for login. Analytics. This is the overall analytics of the app. How many people downloaded, how many users are on your platform. This way you can be able to see and gauge how things are going. And then we have the advanced part. So this is where you can be able to set app permissions. As you know, whenever someone downloads whenever you download an app, you always ask for permissions for your contacts, your location, and things like that. And you can be able to set them up here, what you need, or you can just use the default, because every app will have a default settings for the app permissions. App publishing information. This will give you step by step on how to publish your app. App marketing. This will give you information on how to market your app on Google or Facebook ads. App shares. So this will give you some short links or links that you can be able to market for your app. App languages and wording, integrations, and my account. So yeah, so integrations if you want to integrate with other apps and features. And then yeah, that's pretty much it for that. So to wrap it up, we are definitely here for you. If you need any support, you can always reach out to us at hello@DIYapps.ca, and we'll be gladly to help you get your first app out there. Thank you, and hopefully this was a helpful one. See ya. You're not gone yet? All right, bye-bye.